Hello, today I'm going to make some shakshouka. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, so I've probably got it wrong. Anyway, it's some eggs that are cooked in a tomato sauce, traditionally served for breakfast or brunch, but I think it's nice any time of day. So the first job is we're going to get a couple of red onions diced, and then we're going to sweat those off in some olive oil. Next to this, I've got a red chilli that I'm going to half and de-seed. Then I'm going to dice it up and add it in. To the onions and chilli, I'm just going to add a couple of cloves of garlic I've crushed. Into this now goes half a teaspoon of ground cumin and a whole teaspoon of smoked paprika. This is starting to smell great already. I'm going to add to this about a tablespoon of tomato puree and cook this out for around a minute. I've got 2 cans of peeled, chopped plum tomatoes that I'm going to add into this, and then we're going to add about a teaspoon of sugar because they can be a little bitter, the tomatoes. Now we're going to cook this down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to adjust the seasoning. I think I've made enough here to do 4 portions, but I prefer serving it individually. So I've got a cast iron pan I'm going to heat up and put a couple of ladles of my tomato sauce in. Now, into my sauce, I'm just going to move it around and make a couple of little divots. Then into those, I can crack a couple of eggs. And we're just going to leave this over a low heat until the whites are perfectly cooked, but the yolks are still runny. Well, that's the plan anyway. So what I'm going to serve this with is some toast. I've made myself a white loaf of bread. I'm going to get a few slices and drizzle them with olive oil. I've got a griddle pan heating up. I can get those in it and get them grilled on both sides. Those egg whites have now set up nicely, but the yolk looks still runny. Just going to finish it with some freshly picked coriander leaves. So there we have it, a fantastic brunch dish, but I think you can enjoy it any time of day, and I'm going to enjoy it right now. Gooey eggs with spicy tomatoes, crispy bread, you can't go wrong. So I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as I'm going to go enjoy eating this.